Hey there. So today we are looking at 7 of the best ways you can make money. 7 of the best ways you can make 3,000 shillings per day. In our previous video, we talked about 7 of the best mobile apps you can use to make money. So make sure you check out that video. So in this video, instead of just talking about this point and that point, I will be just telling you what it is and what you need to do. So if you are looking for an actionable way to make 3,000 shillings per day, this is the video for you. So I'll just let the intro and the disclaimer roll, and then I'll see you the other side.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race.
So the first way you can make 3,000 shillings per day in Kenya is freelance writing. As a freelancer, your work is to write articles most of the time. Yes, there are two ways. There is the articles and then there is the academic. So the one that I have experience on is article writing. So article writing is where you write articles for websites most of the time, and you can charge based on the project. You can charge per hour, you can charge per word, and my favorite way is to charge per word. So for example, to make 3,000 shillings, you can charge up to 1 shilling. You can even charge, it depends with your client. You have to negotiate with your client, but don't charge anything less than 1 shilling per word. So to make 3,000 shillings, it means you need to write at least 3,000 words per day, and then at the end of the day you have your 3,000 shillings. And if after writing 3,000 words you feel like you can still write some more, go ahead and write say another 2,000. So which means tomorrow you'll just need to write 1,000 words, and then you have your 6,000 in 2 days. Now if you have questions around this, and comment below any question you have. Also, I'll be launching a website, freelancing.co.ke. so it's a website that I intend to share my experience. I intend to share my mistakes and the things that I've learned working as a freelance writer, as a content creator. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel, because this is where I'll announce or I'll launch that website. The other way is selling digital products. Digital products include things like digital artwork, stickers, banners, online courses, sheet music, and video assets. So video assets includes things like if you work with Adobe, for example, Adobe Premiere Pro, maybe you have some loots that you can share with some people. Maybe you have some presets you can share with fellow designers, fellow editors. For planners, a good example is you can create some templates, some social media templates using Canva for free, and then sell it to business owners. So templates, it is easier for you to create social media artwork, social media graphics. So if you have some design skills, just create some templates on Canva and then charge and then sell it to people. Now the coolest thing about selling digital products is that you don't have to worry about manufacturing costs, you don't have to worry about time, you don't have to worry about shipping, and even you don't have to worry about inventory. All you will be holding or even storing is just digital files. Another way you can make 3,000 shillings per day is using Google Adsense. So through Google Adsense, this is an ad network that you can join to your website. Google will pay you to show adverts on your website. So you get paid every time someone clicks on ads on your website. What does this mean? It means that the more traffic you have on your website, the more chances of people clicking those ads and the more money you make. With this one, you can make up to 50,000 per month, which means it's very easy to make up to 5,000 per day. So go ahead, create a blog, drive traffic to it, and then monetize using Google AdSense. The other way you can make 3,000 shillings a day in Kenya is through creating and selling online courses. So online courses just works the same ways as the classwork, but instead of showing up physically, these courses can be taken online using any device you have. First thing you need to do is to find a skill that people are looking to learn. For example, digital marketing. Create a course around digital marketing, upload those videos and all the coursework, all the curriculum into a central place like Udemy and Thinkific or your website, and then charge people to access that. Yes, so just head over to Udemy, create an account and sign up as a teacher. and then you'll be making up to 3,000 per day. In fact, the coolest thing about selling courses is that you can charge up to that 3,000 shillings per person, which means if your course is that good, you can make up to 10,000, up to 9,000. If you have, like, say 5 clients or 5 students per day and you're charging 3,000 per sign up, it means you can have up to 15,000 shillings per day creating and selling courses. The other way is dropshipping. Now, dropshipping is a business model where you sell online without having to own the inventory. Pay attention, because this is where it gets confusing. With dropshipping, you don't have to own or have the inventory. All you need is the images of the product. So if you want to sell, for example, phones, you don't have to actually go buy the stock of phones and then stock it somewhere in a warehouse or in your room. No, you don't need that. All you need is that picture of that phone. Now, do this. Upload that picture to somewhere, to a marketplace like Gigi, like Jumia, like Pigiami, and whenever someone orders that thing, they will pay. Yes, they will pay you. Take that money, go buy that phone. Yes, they don't even have to pay you. So when someone orders that product, maybe it's pay on delivery, go buy that product from a supplier for less than what the customer paid, and then you ship it to them. Now your money comes from the difference. So if you listed that product for 1,000, yes, so which means the customer paid 1,000 shillings for it, and then the supplier sold it for you, the same product, for 500 shillings. What do you make? 500 shillings. Now sell at least what? At least 10 or at least 6 of those products, and you have your 3,000 shillings per day. And then there is the affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is where you promote someone else's product or a service, and then as a way of appreciating you for sending them customers, they pay you commission. Now commission comes sometimes as, a fixed rate. For example, whenever you send me a customer, I'll pay you 1,000 shillings. Sometimes it comes as a lifetime deal, where they say, you know what, I'll be paying you, for example, 10% for the lifetime of that customer, which means you'll be, when you send a person to that business, you'll be earning 10% until that customer stop buying from them. So that's the coolest thing about affiliate marketing. Now here is where it gets interesting. You can sell niched products. For example, you can sell only phones. Yes, so if you are into things like phones, laptops, you can create a website around laptops and then head over to Jumia, create an account as an affiliate, then start promoting those phones on your website. If you want to learn more, there's this video I created around how to join Jumia and how it works and how you can make money. So go ahead and watch that video. Now the last video in this list is becoming a social media influencer. So who is an influencer? An influencer is someone who can influence your decisions, like someone you watch them and you want to do what they are doing. To be an influencer nowadays in Kenya, you don't even need a lot of followers. You just need at least 10,000 followers. So for example, if you have 10,000 followers either on TikTok, Facebook or Instagram, you can charge up to 5,000 shillings per post from businesses. So once you reach that mark, just look for businesses, enter into a contract where they pay you per post. Yes, I'm sure you've heard of someone who is charging up to 500,000 shillings per post. If you are okay with all the publicity that comes with being an influencer, this is an idea for you. Now guys, thank you for joining me. Thank you for watching to this end. If you enjoyed those tips, and please make sure you click that subscribe button and click that like. Again, if you have any questions, as always, let's meet in the comments.
So I'll keep hustling.